We're wrapping up the Retrospectives Explained series, and we're going out with the toolkit. This final video covers the tools, templates, and resources we've referenced throughout the series, plus a few new ones, so you have everything you need to run a retrospective that actually delivers results. Let's start with online whiteboards. We tested 6 platforms, and Miro came out on top by a wide margin. As of this recording, it's the best balance of simplicity and flexibility, with built-in timers, voting, and private brainstorming modes that make facilitation smooth and intuitive. We've built our own retrospective templates on the Miroverse. They're free, ready to use, and easy to adapt for your team. You'll find the link in the description. For capturing and sharing what happened after the session, post the recording alongside your notes, key takeaways, and next steps. You can even share the Miro board itself. Whether it lives in SharePoint, Confluence, or your project board, the rule is simple. If the team can't find it, it didn't happen. On AI, if your meeting platform has AI support, enable it with your team's consent. It can help surface themes, identify owners, and draft next steps quickly. But AI is a first draft, not a final answer. Always review before anything goes to the team. In the description, you'll also find links to additional templates, icebreaker ideas, and facilitation guides, including a free chapter from The Power of Remote that goes deeper on retrospectives and lessons learned. 2 sites worth bookmarking: Fun Retrospectives, which we mentioned earlier in the series, and Retromat, which gives you structured options for every part of your agenda, from the icebreaker right through to the close. At Virtira, we've run thousands of projects with teams across the world. Retrospectives are a core part of how we create consistent results, not because the format is magic, but because the discipline is. The process works. It just needs a facilitator who shows up prepared. If this series has been useful, please like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on planning and running effective meetings. Good luck with your next retro. We'd love to hear how it goes.